Bring your nail salon home. Beetles Poly Extension Nail Gel for Nail Kit. Save your time and money. Just skip nail salon. 6 shades for the perfect French manicure using poly extension gel. What you get. 6*15G poly extension, nail gel in 6 different colors, 48W nail lamp, 1 nail drill with adapter, 1 nail drill bit set, 48 PCs nail molds in 12 sizes, 1 dual forms pen, nail forms, 4 glitters and rhinestones, 1 7.5 ml gel base and top coat, 1 file. Healthy and natural. This poly extension nail gel for nail kit contains 9 toxin-free ingredients, keeping your nails healthy with a low odor formula. No harsh ingredients or adhesives that lead to damaged nails. Poly extension nail gel cures with LED lamps. We recommend curing with lamp for 2 to 3 minutes, LED lamp for 60 to 90s. The time needed depends on the thickness of the gel. Warning. May product an allergic reaction by skin contact. Read directions for use carefully. For professional use only. Only used for nail. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth and skin. Rinse them immediately should the product comes into contact with them. If there is any incident, contact the doctor immediately. Stop using the product if redness and itching develop. If symptom persists, consult a doctor. Keep out of the reach of children. Top reviews from the United States. Great for beginners. This whole kit is amazing. Especially for the price. I was a little skeptical to order because it comes with so much. But I love the Beetles Polygel and base and top coat. Love the drill as well. Since I'm a beginner, it's perfect for me. You can change the speed and there are several different bits that come with it.